I got some new pencils. And welcome to Grace and Lottie's Elizabeth here. I've got some new pencils. I'm looking forward to getting them out and getting to see what they're like. So I don't want to wait anymore. So the first one I've got here is Arteza. And then here I have a giant new set of pencils, which is going to be a lot of fun to get to unbox. It's going to be interesting to figure out how I'm going to film this because this is a big box and my desk cam sits here, so you can kind of see the level. Can't exactly catch it, so we're gonna have some fun getting that one figured out. But anyway, we're gonna start with Arteza. I think that one's the first one right here. I do have a set of Amazon basics that I ordered that says they were delivered. They were not delivered, so gonna have to hope that maybe they come today. If they do, I get to tack this onto this end of this video. Today, we're just going to be doing quick unboxings. We're not going to like really dive into the pencils. I'm gonna have individual videos for each one of these pencils coming out. So know that that is coming, but today we're just gonna be seeing how they shipped, how they got here, and getting to get excited because I haven't done a haul video in a while. And I got 3 sets of pencils, so which is kind of crazy for me to get 3 new sets of pencils. So I thought we'll do an unboxing, we'll have some fun. So we'll save this guy and what's in that one. And we'll jump in here with the Arteza. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna have to move it or we're gonna have a shadow there. It's like, we're gonna set it down there. I like having it in the shot, but we're gonna set it down on the ground. So right here, we've got our beautiful new Arteza pencils. They came in this nice box. They were in an envelope that they shipped. They actually fit in my mailbox because I was shocked. And they say that the Amazon ones were supposed to be left in the mailbox. They were not there. So we're just hoping maybe they'll come today. Sometimes that happens with shipping. So before I say, hey, I only got the 1, not the 2. But it's got a nice little, look at this, Arteza. It's got a nice little setup here with the plastic. It feels like these are designed more to be bought online. I'm looking at how they're packaged, how they came, you know, they've got the little box. And I'm sure the ones when they get to the store, they've got like boxes like this, but normally as a customer, you don't get that box. So let's go ahead. I'm ripping open the package. Okay, easier said than done. It looks like this was a, it really looked like that was, oh, there's an easy spot here, look. And here's all my colors. Okay, so they are using like the A method right here. I got the artist, these are supposed to be like the nicer quality one. This is like the artist level ones right here. You can see on the back, it's got a bunch of colors, looking good there. 72 pack is the biggest one I could get. I got a little dent right here. I'm not too worried about that though. So you can see Classic, Premium, Pro Series. So when I do the video to compare these, because these are supposed to be the Pro Series, I'm gonna be comparing these with Prismacolors, Kohinoors, and Polychromos. Like that's the category these are gonna jump into. My other pencils, I don't know which ones to put those in. But if they're claiming this level, they've got 3 levels where they're gonna go against the big guys. So I'm curious to see how they'll do. Looking at this though, first glance, looks like we got a decent set. It actually is somewhat, to me, reminiscent a little bit of my Polycolors, just in which peach they have here. Feels like that, but it feels like there's a little bit more in the ways of pinks, a little bit less in greens and blues. Yeah, the blues look actually a little bit lacking. I'm gonna be curious to see when I get in there because looking at these, I don't see like a light blue, ice blue kind of alternative. I also don't really see a slate blue in this set. That could be interesting with this. Lots of yellows and oranges. Like that is a heavy number of yellows, oranges, and reds. Like I would say it's leaning a little heavy there. Especially considering the number of yellows that it appears we have without having a cream. We have a straight white, it looks like, but no cream. So let's open her up. Let's open her up. Okay, we got a nice little piece of paper that helps. Okay, I guessed correctly. Like I was guessing when I opened these how it would feel opening them, and I grabbed my mandalamas. And I'm looking at these and like looking at the colors, the order, because this order here is not this order here. That's really interesting because these are not in numeric up here. This looks like the usable order, whereas this is, why are they in different orders? Yeah, okay, this is really weird. Okay, we're gonna be needing to make 2 sheets for these, one for box order and one for the how they actually should be. Because this is like, I've got 3 different palettes here. Like trying to go through the rainbow in 3 palettes. This is just, yeah, this feels really weird for the color distribution. Yeah. Ooh, I did have some damage, look. Right here, this guy. Is that the corner? No, and that's not the corner that's dented. So I've got a little damage to the tray straight out of the box. Other than that, let's put up pencil real quick. We'll kind of see. Weight feels good. Look at this, it's got the name, the number, and the light fastness on the pencil. That's nice. It's really nice. I've got the light fastness. Try saying that 10 times fast, right guys? Up here too in the lid, which is super useful. At the same time, a lot of it isn't super surprising either. Like, reds aren't as light fast, you know, it's funny. Or no, they're saying extremely light fast to less light fast. This is backwards. This chart is backwards. So the more light fast, the more pluses I should have, right? I mean, which, okay, that does make sense. Okay, white is not super light fast. Okay, these are just feeling a little bit weird. But they really feel like monolamas. I'm gonna, just real quick, we'll do the side by side because you'll see what I'm saying. Right here. Here's what that looks like. Right there. See it? Beautiful. You can see sapphire yellow with the light fastness rating, all of that right there. Look at the mandalamas right here. So you see, box feels really similar. Like I'm looking at this color scape, especially even just the first open. Like what colors are on this top. Like I really like am having flashbacks. The same number of pencils here, so you can see this is what it's like. You have 2 sets here, 2 trays. This one has 3. I don't know which one I like better, honestly, for boxing. If I prefer 2 or 3, I'm going to think about that one and maybe come back to that when I get to this this review. Because the Staedtler design journeys are in a 3-tray system like that, and I haven't had any like thought issues. It makes it a little easier to stick this in a bag because this isn't as wide as this, so maybe a little more portable with it. I'm going to think about that one. So that'll be coming up, my thoughts on that. So that is my thoughts on these to get started. I like them at first glance. I'm really curious how they're gonna do. I'm not gonna be putting them on paper yet because that's gonna be coming in the next video, as well as going to be creating the swatch sheets and all of those fun. I wanted to get this video out quick. So this is just looking at the packaging. But we have another one and I'm excited. I am so excited about it. I've got to put my paper back on this because, you know, keep them safe. The next one. So I'm gonna pull these out. I'm gonna need my full desk. Oh, price point, by the way, the Artezas were pretty expensive. Those are 58 cents a piece. So in there, they were the most expensive ones of the ones I ordered. The next one are the cheapest. I am so excited. I have wanted this set for a little while now. Here we go. Here's 260 pencils. Here's 260 more pencils. I got the 520 set from Brutfuner. They are, they're Brutfuners. They're, again, all of these names today are killing me. These are offered on Amazon by Batagen. They are ordered from China. I have been looking forward to these pencils because I'm like 520 colors, and it's 520 different pencils. So that was part of what I thought would be really fun with this. I know these are packaged a little differently. I mean, you look at these cute little, look, they've got carry handles. Cute little boxes that they come in. And I was just like, okay, they come down to 23 cents a pencil right now. So I'm really, really curious what they're gonna be like. So let's look at this. Here we go. It fills up my entire, oh, are they taped? Nope. There we go. Just firm. Oh, how cool. They come with the color chart inside of it. So this will take a while. I mean, 260 pencils is a lot. They are, okay, they are all named with a number. So let's pull one out. Man, they're in here snug. Okay, it looks like they are mixed because that looks like it's a neon. I was curious, and that looks like a neon as well. So this is Bright Marigold, Y28 of 520. This is just nuts to me how big these are. But yeah, so there's that. So it kind of feels like, okay, so the metallics are mixed in. So you can see here's a metallic right here with these. Blue. I'm kind of curious how these are gonna lay out. We're going into green. Now into blue again. Purple. Metallic still mixed in. So it looks like we have so I'm pretty sure this has like the pastel set in it, and it looks like the pastels are on this side. They come in it, and then they go into more colors, but I just figuring out an order. Now we're getting into like the earth tones. And down into the gray. Okay. So not as many metallics as I would have thought. There is a black down there called Fudge. Okay, so now keeping these in order is going to be, and then you were here, right? Okay, I may have to rewatch the video for how I took those out to try to figure out, make sure I got these in the right order. Okay, so we like visited green twice. Okay, so let's look in the other set. So that's what I've got to figure out. I know that these kind of number-wise are a little bit weird in their boxing. So we're opening up the other one. Oops, bumping the camera. Okay. So it's like I have two whites, poppy red, and this is ketchup over here. So yeah, they are different, but it is what I was kind of had thought it was from the description, in that it goes 1, 2, 3, 4 back and forth. So it's like one's over here, one's over here, which is kind of a weird way to package. You kind of have to work with both. Keeping these in order, are they at least in number order? 7, I'm looking here. L10. No, they are not in any sort of order here. This is gonna be fun trying to keep these somewhat organized while I work with them. This is gonna be an adventure. So lots of colors here. So we're gonna go through. Yeah, really similar. Oh, look at those greens. Okay, that is a pretty sight. I'm gonna, like, I want you guys to see this just whole set of green here. Look at that, just whoosh of green right here. And then the blues. Oh, that's really pretty too. That's really satisfying. These are gonna photograph so well. Nebula's blue. All the names are great. It's just, it's gonna take some work to get these figured out. I do like that they have their color family in the name. That is going to help with working with all of these, because I have so many questions about these. Like, how many am I gonna actually be able to tell apart when working with them? I mean, with 520, I mean, even 260 pencils, how many are gonna be so similar that when creating a piece of art, it's not gonna really matter which is which. So lots and lots and lots of questions with them. Looking forward to getting to play with them, but here I am. 520 pencils. Lots of work ahead of me. This is gonna be fun and interesting. It's gonna take me a while, so I'm actually kind of looking forward to this project. These will be eventually, don't expect them don't expect them to be like available when this video goes live. I will not have them done. There will be coloring swatch sheets over in the Etsy shop, so that will be coming. So know that I am working on them when you see this video, and that I am also working on videos actually going in depth with them. I just wanted to unbox them and let you guys see like the kind of full live, what it's like as I'm seeing these for the first time. They're nuts. I really don't know how much my overhead cam got with this because it's gonna have trouble focusing. I'm looking at it right now to kind of see. Hopefully it caught something that was worth it, but these are sitting so high up off the desk. I may have to record some B-roll to help you guys know what's going on. But anyway, that is it for today. I hope you've enjoyed this. Remember, subscribe so that you can know when the videos actually diving into these pencils come out. Hopefully I will get the Amazon ones in the mail soon. I really hope to get them. And be watching for this coming up, as well as hitting up the Etsy store, because I've got so many swatch sheets over there. I've got them for Prismacolor, Faber-Castell, Chromos, Kohinoor, Crayola. I'm working actually too also on a Crayola, like all the Crayola, like on one sheet. So that's gonna take a little bit, as well as some hex chart are coming soon, which I do eventually want to do the 520 on a hex chart. I think that'll be nuts. But anyway, that is it. I'm waffling a little too much. I will see you in the next video. Bye.